can't take the risk. Last week it is there. All right, now past perfect continuous tense. Now we use past perfect continuous tense very 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 rarely. Okay, it is like nothing. मतलब यानी कभी तो भी यूज होता है, बहुत 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 कम तरीके, बहुत कम कम टाइम पर यूज होता है. Past perfect continuous tense is what it is like no tense in English. बहुत ना के बराबर यूज होता है ये. Now when do we use past perfect continuous tense? When action is started in the past, got perfected in the past, and it was going for long time in the past, but nothing is there in the present. Present में कुछ लेना देना ही नहीं है उसका. For example, Harshad had been doing frauds. हर्षद had been doing frauds. हर्षद फ्रॉड करते आ रहा था. कब से स्टार्ट किया था उसने फ्रॉड करना? 1980 से करना स्टार्ट किया 1992 तक. भाई फिलहाल में टाइम क्या चल रहा है?
2020.
प्रेजेंट में है कुछ?
No, sir.
हर्षद की बॉडी भी नहीं है फिलहाल में. यस नो?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. When something has started in the past, got perfected in the past, was continuing in the past, completely finished in the past, and now in the present nothing is there. This is called past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Let me give you one more example. Congress had been ruling India. Listen to me carefully. Congress had been ruling India. Congress अभी फिलहाल में है?
No.
कब से रूल कर रहा था कांग्रेस? एग्जाम्पल ले रहा 2011. नेक्स्ट 2015 तक चला. करेक्ट. उसी
Yes.
बीच में दरमियान में वो चलता रहा. एक्शन लिया, कंप्लीट हुआ. एक्शन लिया, कंप्लीट हुआ. एवरीथिंग वाज कंप्लीट, गेटिंग कंप्लीटेड. एक्शन इन द पास्ट गॉट परफेक्टेड इन द पास्ट एंड इट वाज गोइंग ऑन. एक इलेक्शन लिया, वो जीता, कंप्लीट हुआ. दूसरा इलेक्शन लिया, कंप्लीट हुआ, फिर भी रूल कर रहा था कंट्री को. तीसरा लिया, वो भी रूल किया, कंप्लीट कर रहा था. मींस एक्शन स्टार्टेड इन 2011, got perfected and was continuing in the past only in 2020. Now in the present nothing is there. In the present,
But if we say Congress was ruling India, so is it right?
it is also correct. But Congress was ruling India, it is past continuous tense, simple past continuous tense.
So sir, what is the
Past
major
perfect
difference?
continuous tense is what? It is for long time. करते आ रहा था और कर रहा था, दोनों में बहुत बड़ा फर्क है. इतने दिनों से ये करते आ रहा था और कर रहा था. कर रहा था can be, we can say one shot one time, and करते आ रहा था, it is a longer period of time. I getting the point? For example, I was sleeping. मैं सो रहा था. And I have been sleeping. दोनों में फर्क क्या है? I had been sleeping and I was sleeping. मैं जब से लेके तो इतने लंबे टाइम तक के मैं सोते आ रहा था, आंखें नहीं खुली थी, सोते आ रहा था और मैं सो रहा था. सिंपल. कब से सो रहा था बताया मैंने?
No.
सिंपल है. पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, आई वाज स्लीपिंग, मैं सो रहा था. एंड आई हैड बीन स्लीपिंग, इतने टाइम से लेकर ये काम वहां से लेकर तो अभी तक के करते आ रहा है. यहाँ पर भी टाइम आएगा, सिंस लगेगा इसके अंदर. सिंपल. Getting it? So this is what exactly past perfect continuous tense, and the formula is really simple. Noun or pronoun plus had plus been plus verb plus ing plus context. That's it. इतना ही है, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं है इसके अंदर. इतना ही है, nothing more. Getting it? ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है. So noun or pronoun plus had plus been plus verb plus ing. This is the formula. I had been, करते आ रहा था, ये टाइम से स्टार्ट किया, परफेक्ट भी हुआ, जब तक ये कर ही रहा था, करते रहा, पास्ट में था सब, प्रेजेंट में कुछ नहीं है. Any doubts?
No, sir.
बहुत ही सिंपल सा है कि मैं इतने सालों से काम करते आ रहा था पर अभी नहीं कर रहा हूँ. ये मैं काम किया, परफेक्ट हुआ, फिर कंटिन्यूस होते रहा, वही काम बार 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 करता रहा, पर अभी नहीं करता हूँ। आप लोग ये रिटायर्ड वगैरह लोगों के लिए बारे में बोल सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही और आई प्लस हैड, सबके साथ में सेम यूज होने वाला है, प्लस बीन, फॉर्मूला इज द सेम। आई हैड बीन, garden will become I had been gardening since since या फिर आप लोग ऐसे ही बोल सकते हो कि पास में लेके पास में ही खत्म हो रहा है। सो आई हैड बीन गार्डनिंग फॉर, सिंस की जगह पे फॉर बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा यहाँ पर, फॉर 10 years। अब समझ में आया, पूरा डाउट ही क्लियर हो जाएगा यहाँ पर। मैं 10 सालों तक के गार्डनिंग करता रहा, पर मेरे को क्या मालूम था, फूल तू चुरा के लेके जा रहा था। So this is what I had been gardening। मैं गार्डनिंग करता रहा पास्ट में, अभी नहीं करता हूँ मैं, अभी अपन जाने हो गए ना। क्वेश्चन,
Had I been gardening for 10 years?
had I been gardening for, ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ क्या मैं?
For a decade. 10 years.
Yes.
Yes.
मना तो कर रहे हैं मत।
I hadn't.
I hadn't been gardening for a decade. I had been gardening for a decade. Had I been gardening for a decade? I hadn't been gardening for a decade. Is that clear? बहुत ही सिंपल है।
Sir,
मैं
if we apply the same rule that I had taken the exam or I had been taken the exam, so
अलग अलग है। I had taken the exam. You are asking for this one, right? Again,
yes sir.
it is the same then. It is the same. It is the same. Next, he had been encouraging me। वो मुझे encourage करते आ रहा था, पर बाद में उसको मालूम पड़ा मेरे को तो बहुत ज्यादा मस्ती है, तो उसने मेरे को encourage करना ही बंद कर दिया। He had been encouraging me। Question,
Had he been encouraging me?
had he been encouraging me?
He hadn't been encouraging.
Negative, he hadn't been encouraging me। Any doubts to anyone?
No sir.
Had plus, been plus, verb plus ing, action started in the past, got perfected in the past, was continuing in the past only. That's what past perfect continuous tense. Is that clear? If you
Yes,
have
sir.
doubts, you can ask me. I had been, he had been, she had been. Can you please give me some good examples so that we can understand it well? Yes, give me some good examples so that we can understand it well. हम लोग को समझने में, सोचने में, समझने में बहुत इजी पड़ेगा। अच्छे अच्छे एग्जाम्पल दीजिए प्लीज। यस,
He had been.
यस,
He had been swimming.
he had been swimming, करेक्ट।
We had been going to school.
बेटा तो वो अभी नहीं कर रहा है। he had been swimming, yes,
We had been going to school.
Had been.
करेक्ट। we had been going to school, करेक्ट। लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए हम लोग जाते आ रहे थे, पर अभी हम लोग स्कूल नहीं जाते। यस,
We have been doing that project.
we had been doing the project, we had been doing।
The two
yes,
sentences which I texted you, so both are same or is there any difference?
when did you send me?
So that he made me write a letter. He got the letter written by me.
He got the letter written by me। can you please send it to me?
Yes sir.
He made me write a letter. Yeah. And he got the letter written by me. It is a passive voice. He got the letter written by me. It is a passive voice, ma'am.
Okay.
दोनों अलग अलग है. He made me write a letter. He made me write a letter. उसने मुझे लेटर लिखने लगाया. He made me write a letter. Or he made me to write a letter. And this, he got the letter written by me. इसका एक्टिव वॉइस बताऊं क्या होगा?
Yes, sir.
I wrote. Yes. I wrote a letter to him, and he got the letter written by me.
And sir, we can also say he made the letter right by me.
नहीं. He made the letter right by me. हो ही नहीं सकता है. Written by me, I
So we have to use written.
absolutely me, I go. Okay, any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
And if you have any queries, any doubts, first, I believe that you can go through the vocabulary and the grammar book as well. And if you feel any doubts over there, so you can just get back to me. No problem at all. And we are going to continue this tomorrow with the sentences of past perfect continuous tense.
You haven't sent the format of resume and cover letter.
Actually, we've been so busy in our offline classes as we are starting offline classes in camp opposite Pune College sooner. So my assistant and even I both are quite busy. And apart from that one, hospital is after me. बहुत दिनों से कुछ hospital लगा है मेरे घर के पीछे. So due to that, I haven't completed the task. But today itself, I'll be sending you surely, inshallah. I'll be posting there. I'll be just making her to post over there on the batch. Don't worry.
Would you conduct a lecture on how to give interview?
Yes.
I haven't decided it yet, but I'll be conducting because see, 4 batches are pending there for the same lecture. So there'll be an hour or there'll be 1 or 2 hours lecture will be there as I'll get free. So I'll be conducted sooner, inshallah, and we'll get to know sooner. Don't worry about it. See, the batches which are completed before you, also they are in pending. Even they want to attend that batch, so I'll be attending. I'll be taking a lecture as I've taken the lecture of letter writing and email writing, mail drafting and all. So I'll be conducting a lecture especially for the interviews and we'll be calling the students. So don't worry about it. Even after your class, you'll be in my touch, and don't delete the application because the recordings and each and everything, whatever in future you're going to get from free from my side. Because see, now our offline sessions are going to start sooner, and I don't think so that they'll be locked down for some days. And if they'll be, so no problem at all for me. But inshallah, after this one, my lectures will be starting in colleges, so I'll shoot those lectures and will be sending you for learning. It will be absolutely free for you too. So if you are just deleting my application, so you won't be having those facilities. All right, so we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah.
From when can we join the evening batch for learning passive voice?
Learning
Passive voice, active and passive voice.
active and passive voice, I'll tell you, because it is not decided yet there. Because see, the students are working on their conversations and vocabulary only still from now, as we'll see. Because see, what do I do with my students? I first of all see their capability, and according to that I just teach them. And if they don't have the capability to learn those things over there, so I just don't go with the risk. Because see, if they are understanding it well, so that matters. But if I'm just teaching them unnecessarily and they're not understanding it, so it doesn't matter for me. So we'll see, we'll judge them first and we'll let you know sooner.
Okay, sir.
Sure. Otherwise you'll get the recordings of them. You'll get the recordings because
Okay, sir.
I've taught some batches before. The batches were of engineers and doctors, so I've taught them as well. So I'll get the recordings to you, inshallah, if there is a possibility.
Okay.
All right, guys, then please keep on practicing at home. And if you have any questions, you can ask me directly. All right, cheerio.
Thank you, sir. See you.